Board Book It is a secure board portal that's designed to help companies streamline that whole process of managing their board of directors, distributing materials to them, and also a better way for board members to access the information that the company send to them. We put a really good team together here. The person who designed the look and feel and the usability of Board Book It is a nationally recognized award-winning app developer. And so that he did extensive user experience testing and continues to do that every month with our customers. We're really sure about how great the product is. So we offer a 30-day free trial, and we have close to 100% conversion. Everybody that tries it keeps it. There's really three parts to Board Book It. One of the parts is an administrative interface that's web-based. So if the person who's in charge of creating all the documents for the board, as well as managing that roster and scheduling meetings, goes to a URL, logs in, and they can do everything they need to from this really powerful and intuitive interface. So, for example, they can schedule meetings. They can create agendas and board books directly through the interface and publish them to go out to the board members. So there's no need for email anymore or snail mail. There's a central repository of documents and resources. So the strategic plan, the bylaws, committee documents, anything that might be pertinent to the board service can be stored there. We have the security certifications, it's SAS 70, I believe it's called, and then also the Sarbanes-Oxley audit, SOC 1 audit, which certifies our solution. So it's as secure as anything can be that's out there. And then finally, they can manage their board roster. So put up all the information about board members and other people who might provide services to the board, like advisors and other staff members, along with photos and contact information. Assign those people to committees through the interface also, and then manage their credentials through there. We think there's lots more features that can be built into Board Book It too, and we're listening really closely to our customers. So for example, remote meeting capabilities. We're polling our customers now to see, would that really be something that's valuable to them, and how could we build that into Board Book It to make it even more valuable to them?